Hey guys, me and Alex are back for the WTF Season 2 finale. Woo! How exciting! I can't believe we're here.
I can't believe it's the end of the series
It
already.
went by so quickly, didn't it?
Maybe we should become one of those series on Netflix that's got 20 episodes instead of 10.
Yeah, we are here for the season finale.
Yeah. And because it's such a prestigious occasion, and it's Christmas, Kate's wearing a Christmas hat, and I'm wearing a bowler hat because I don't have a Christmas hat. But I just thought it's kind of like fancy.
Well, really, you wanted to put that on because it's the finale,
Yeah.
not because it was Christmas.
No.
Anyway, so
me.
here is our WTF trophy, aka used to be Alex's football trophy.
Yeah,
and
and
for some
also
reason,
My massage ball.
it's
But
got
I think
Alex.
it looks cool on top, don't you?
It's quite cool. Supporting Liverpool on top.
Yes.
Everton down there. Okay, so far I am 1 point ahead.
Yeah, 5-4 to Kate.
5-4 to me.
It's been completely different this series. Totally different, which
Really
has been
different
awesome.
to the first series.
It's been cat and mouse, cat and mouse, cat and mouse all the way. And you, in the last episode, if you haven't seen it yet, you should go watch it because Kate is a korma, which means she only likes mild food. And Kate was so determined not to lose that episode and let me draw equal with her. She ate or drank
Teaspoon, well,
sriracha hot sauce.
it was burning. It
Yeah.
was so hot.
I
Even
can attest.
after we finished filming, I was burning.
Yeah.
It got worse.
She was crying for days.
What the fudge is in the finale box?
Oh, this is sad. Let's hope they renew us for season 3.
Okay, we've got some envelopes here.
Hello, Kate and Alex. Wow, wow, wow. It truly has been an incredible series. So much tighter than we predicted. 5-4 to Kate going into the season finale.
And here at the WTF team, we want to give this amazing series the send-off it deserves. And that is why today you'll be taking part in the WTF Christmas Olympics.
In this box, there are 5 envelopes, with each envelope containing a different event that you will be taking part in. Every event you guys compete in will be worth an entire point in the series standings. So there are 5 points up for grabs.
First things first, the opening ceremony where you must please stand for the national anthem. Then please proceed to open event 1. Good luck, guys, the WTF team.
God save our gracious Queen, long live our noble Queen, long live the Queen. Let's move on to the first event. What you haven't picked up on there, Kate, I don't think you've picked up on the final point. So instead of us getting 1 point at the end of this video, there's an opportunity for 5 whole points that will count towards our tallies. So, at the moment, it's 5-4 in the series standings. So if you win all 5 points, it'll be 10-4 to you.
All right.
But if I win them all, it'd be 9-5 to me.
Oh.
So each one of these events is a whole series point, a season point. This is like an episode.
All right.
Yeah. So, Kate seems flabbergasted
I'm
by
so
that.
confused. I'm just going to go with the flow.
I think the magnitude of what's going on here has really just hit home for Kate.
Yeah. I was literally, I had sriracha for that.
Psoriasis.
Sriracha. And if I knew this was happening,
You wouldn't have
I
bothered.
wouldn't have bothered. Event 1. Rudolph's dangling carrot. In this event, you will wear the headgear provided with a dangling carrot attached to the end. Your aim is to eat as much of the carrot as you can in 1 minute. The person that has the least left before the black tape wins.
I know this isn't like a lot to eat, but Matt said we didn't have to eat a lot.
I
and
know.
we just had so much pizza, I couldn't even imagine trying to eat a carrot. Right. Oh, look at that. Here we go.
Can you have the blue one?
Yeah.
Just because,
Why am I
might
giving
go
you
with
my
my
bowler?
outfit. I don't know. Might go
Right,
with
sorry.
my
I
outfit.
have to take the bowler off for a minute.
Oh my word!
Right, here we go.
How do I tighten this hat?
Matt's going to need to get some close-ups on this bad boy.
This is so funny.
I'm not sure even how this is going to happen.
This is so funny.
Are the strings like the same length and
dear.
everything?
This is amazing. Okay.
Ready?
We should do a thumbnail like that. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah. Oh, you've kept it. Oh no.
I can't get any further drunk.
Oh, I have. What? How are you able to do that? I literally can't get it. I literally can't reach it though. What am I to do? I can't reach it.
You have to swing it in.
No, it doesn't reach my mouth. Look.
Take your hat down a bit more.
No.
You look ridiculous.
I don't think we need to take measure.
Let me put my boulder back on.
I don't think we need to measure that.
No, I basically almost ate the tape.
Yeah, I think you have nibbled on the tape.
Oh yeah.
That was so fun. that was
funny,
really
wasn't it?
fun.
Yeah.
Very good
Swinging
work
that
there.
round, that was a good
That was
one.
really good.
So
you get 5 points.
now I get 1 point.
Okay, I think I've finally got it.
You got it now.
I think so.
Shall we keep a count of this? Because we are not going to have much
Well,
luck
no,
with
we
it.
just, you keep that. So now you have 1
Yeah,
point.
cool.
So technically it's 5 all.
Yeah,
That was
okay.
fun, wasn't it?
That was funny.
I don't know why that made me laugh so much.
It was
reading that.
funny. Event 2, the Treat Exchange Challenge. In this event, you will be given 2 bowls each. One filled with your favourite Christmas treat of Maltesers and the other empty. Your task is to transfer as many from one bowl to the other bowl in the space of 1 minute, only using your mouth.
Okay.
No hands. Are you ready for this?
And I know hands.
Are you ready for this? Oh, here we go.
My Maltesers. Time starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh. Oh no.
Do we have the same amount of Maltesers?
I would guess so. Because I got a couple on the table.
You got 2 and I got 1 on the table.
Now I got 3 on the table.
Oh, you got 3?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You got 3 on the table and I got 1 on the table.
So you won. I should have just a bit more accurate.
Were you trying to shovel loads in at once and then spit them all
And
out?
what were you doing? 1 at a time?
2 at a time, and with the occasional 1 at a time.
You must have been going back and forth a lot quicker
I
than
did
me.
the I was like sucking them up like that. Well, they're on mine now.
Well, you win that. So well done. Congrats. So
Okay.
We're back to
Back to even
6-5.
Stevens again.
No, 6-5. You're winning
Oh,
6-5.
yeah.
Still doesn't
I
get
still
it.
don't get it. Event 3. I love Winter Olympics.
Christmas Olympics.
Christmas Winter Olympics. Christmas Olympics. Event 3. The After 8 Challenge. Oh, I know what this is.
Oh, you know this one, do you?
In this event, you will balance an After 8 on your forehead. The winner of this challenge is the first person to get the seasonal treat in their mouth and eat it before their opponent without using their hand. If it falls off at any point, you must replace it on your forehead. So, have you not seen this online?
No.
You put it on your forehead and you have to try get it into your mouth and eat it. Once again, I don't like After 8, so this is no fun for me. Who at home has done this before? I've seen it done with Oreos.
Really?
I'm surprised you've not seen it. So get
I feel like we're
Oreos
gonna
or
get
something
chocolate
and
all
do it
over our
with us.
face.
Probably.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Oh, because... You are joking me.
Was that
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
How did you do it? Down the
it? I
nose?
just got going like this.
I'm going to get that, otherwise the dog will eat it. How did you do it so quickly? That was really good.
I did one move that was too big and it literally popped onto my eye.
Mine went onto my
and it was
eye,
stuck
but
on
then-
my eye for ages and I was just doing this.
Mine went onto my eye, but I just couldn't get it. Okay, well done. Did you
Cheers.
enjoy that After 8?
Yeah, it was nice actually. So it's 6-all.
It's 6-all.
6-all, I believe,
How
isn't
is
it?
this series being 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1? Yes.
Event 4, here we go. Moving into the latter stages of the competition. Event 4, Christmas dinner flip cup. What does that mean? In these cups, there is a smoothie made up of most of the ingredients of a Christmas dinner.
No.
To win this event, you must drink the contents of your cup and then flip it from the edge so it lands upside down.
You're joking.
What does that mean?
To drink. So what happens is you drink your drink.
Yeah.
You put it there.
Yeah.
You then have to flip it so it lands down.
Yeah. I think Matt was trying to get us to throw up in this episode.
I think so.
Because before this, as I said, we ate pizza and he said we weren't going to have to eat anything. Drinking a
having to
smoothie of Christmas dinner is going to make me throw up, even if it's only a small amount.
I don't know if I can do this. Is this edible?
Smells disgusting. It's Christmas dinner.
I literally don't think I can do this. Okay, so it looks quite nice.
It does. It looks like a very nice, healthy smoothie.
But I reckon that's the beetroot. Beetroot. Yeah. Okay, cheers, my family.
Cheers. So we should do 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Chug.
Drink. I'm not going to chug. I'm going to be sipping. I'm just hoping your flipping's rubbish.
Right, ready?
3, 2, 1. Cheers. Oh my word, that's thick. Alex is used to not nice smoothies. I can taste the mash. Okay, it doesn't need to be that clean.
Okay. Oh, goodness sake.
If it's anything like Matt on holiday, you're going to be there for ages.
Goodness sake. Oh. That count?
Yeah.
Yes! Come on! Does that mean I've moved 1 point ahead? I've won this and it's now 7-6. I can't believe we left this so late in the game for me to take the lead. Finally.
That was disgusting.
And only one, yeah, to be fair to you, I know you struggle with stuff like that. And I thought, I'm gonna chug this so fast. And I sipped back and it hit my throat and it tasted disgusting.
Yeah.
And I almost threw up.
Really?
Yeah, I was like... Okay, I'm gonna have to go a lot slower than I thought.
It was awful, wasn't it?
It was the peas or something.
No,
the peas almost added like some kind of...
I think that's the mash.
Oh.
Last one.
I'd hate to know what's going on in my stomach today.
Oh my word. Event 5, searching through the snow. On these plates under the snow, whipped cream. There are 10 mini rolls. The winner of this event will be the first person to successfully get all of the mini rolls from under the snow and into their bowls.
Into their what?
Into their bowls.
I thought you said our bowels. I was like, how are we going to know that?
Eat them.
Check my bowels.
We have our plates of cream. And I read it wrong. It's not mini rolls, it's mini Rolos we're finding.
Yeah, I was going to say, these mini rolls must be really tiny.
Mini. I got my hair back because I don't want to ruin my Christmas jump.
I got my hair back.
And there's no time limit on there, it's just the first one to get 10.
Oh, we have to get all 10?
Yeah.
Ooh, wow, that's different.
3, 2, 1, go.
I think I'm done. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh,
Talk about a slow coach.
You must have literally gobbled that plate up. How did you do that so quickly?
I get it, Santa.
I don't think I'm going to go for a goatee when my hair's gone grey.
I get it, Santa and the holiday armadillo.
This is quite the look.
Oh, don't sniff in. I'm literally...
Oh, it's on your jumper. This should have been the thumbnail, shouldn't it?
So, that means it's even Stevens.
7-all, isn't it?
Are you just using that tissue as well?
Yeah.
I'm literally snorting
there you
cream. Ah! You got another one! Give it here, you cheeky! Oh, you just used 2 fresh ones. We have run out of kitchen roll and they're hiding in your pocket.
That's why sometimes it's good to just have a little store in your pocket. Oh, it's still on the chin.
Smells.
Oh.
I can't believe how slow you were.
I wasn't, to be honest, I was a bit...
Grossed out.
You don't like chugging and I don't like putting my face in cream.
Works out well for me.
So it's 7-all.
Those Rolos taste more like the American Rolos.
They're very rich, these ones. They seem much richer and kind of
And very
caramelly.
like liquidy caramel.
Right, well, I feel like I got all dressed up for nothing. I got in my best gear, and it's not even the season finale because who would have thought after 10 episodes and a mini Winter Olympics,
It's still a draw.
it's still a draw. Who knew we were so evenly matched
like
this year?
cream in my mouth.
It's because we've both been training ever since the first
I've been down at the supermarket.
since the first episode of first series of WTF. We've both been training. Well, actually, Kate's been picking up her game, and
And you've been slacking.
and I've been slacking. So,
We can't leave it like that. Me and Alex need to know who's won.
yeah, we can't leave it. And we know you guys
Would be
have put
so
much
annoyed.
behind. I've seen you in the comments. Hashtag Team Alex.
I've seen you in the comments.
No,
Hashtag
there's
Team
hardly
Kate.
any of those people. Where are those people?
Can I just
I've
say-
not seen them. Can I just say
You
thank
guys-
you to all my fans. You really, you are the reason I wake up every morning.
Can I just say thank you to the hashtag Team Kate. You were the ones who got me through the sriracha.
Yeah.
You really did. I thought about
yeah.
everyone who put Team Kate.
Yeah.
Go on, girl power, things like
Kate
that.
has to go through so many comments to find those ones though. It's like, she's just there all scrolling all night, just like, Team Alex, Team Alex, Team Alex, go on Team Alex. Oh, there's one. Spam.
We're going to give you a Christmas Day special.
Yeah, the final of the final.
Final.
Yeah, and this time we're going to create a game that has only one outcome.
One winner. And we're going to bring that to you on Christmas Day, so you can be watching on your new iPads, your new phones, your new whatever.
Yeah.
You know what? After you've had your Christmas dinner and you're feeling a bit
After you've had
full,
your British candy box, link down there or up there.
you get yours. You can then be watching our video.
Yeah.
I think that'd be really fun.
So until we meet
Until
again,
we meet again.
I'm going to be in the gym and at the supermarket
I'm
every
gonna
day.
be at the supermarket.
Just going around the supermarket.
Did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed that. Congratulations, well done.
Congratulations on you
You've
as
played
well.
a good game.
I would say this episode is my favourite episode.
I'm just annoyed I just can pull away a little bit. But
Yeah, you were
we're very,
slow in that.
very evenly matched.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed watching that, and we will see you in 2 days' time. Don't forget, have a lovely Christmas Eve, and we'll see you Christmas Day. Bye, guys!
See ya.